KDE Connect links your Android and desktop, but setup isn't beginner-friendly. Here are 7 simpler alternatives for smoother sharing and better cross-platform support. Top 1. Best KDE Connect Alternative Assistant for Android. Mobikin Assistant for Android enables efficient USB or Wi-Fi-based data transfer between Android phones and computers. It allows users to back up, restore, and manage contacts, messages, call logs, apps, photos, and videos with ease. Step 1. Start by installing and launching the application on your computer. Connect your smartphone to the PC using a USB cable. The tool will recognize your device and display it. Make sure USB debugging is enabled if necessary. Step 2. The files are categorized in the menu on the left side. Select the desired category, for example, contacts. Then, preview and select the specific files you wish to transfer. Step 3. Click on Export at the top of the screen. Choose a location on your PC to save the selected files, thereby initiating the transfer. Alternatively, select the data types from the left menu and click Import to transfer data from your computer to the connected phone. Top 2. Dropbox. Dropbox is a cloud storage platform that allows seamless file syncing and transfer between phones and computers. Users can upload files from one device and access them instantly from another, regardless of the platform. Top 3. AirDroid. AirDroid offers wireless data transfer between Android devices and computers over the same network or remotely via the internet. It supports file sharing, notification syncing, screen mirroring, and even remote control. Top 4. LocalSend. LocalSend enables direct file transfers between phones or between phones and PCs. Without an internet connection, it uses local Wi-Fi or a hotspot to create a secure peer-to-peer connection. Top 5. Pushbullet. Pushbullet allows quick data exchange like links, files, and messages between phone and PC or other mobile devices. It supports push notifications, universal copy or paste, and even SMS messaging from your computer. Top 6. PhoneLink. Known as Link to Windows, Microsoft's PhoneLink app enables tight integration between Android phones and Windows PCs. It allows users to transfer photos, files, and messages between devices, as well as access mobile apps and make calls from the PC. Top 7. TransferNow. TransferNow is a cloud-based file transfer service that works across all devices through a browser. Users can send large files several GBs from phone to PC or another phone by generating a download link or sending via email.